If you're looking for a robust FreeNAS operating system, TrueNAS might just be on your radar. But is it really the best choice for your home or business? Let's dive into what it actually offers and find out. TrueNAS is an open source storage operating system that allows users to create and manage their own network attached storage. It's built on FreeBSD, and right off the bat you can see it's designed for both home and enterprise use. The user interface is quite intuitive, making it relatively easy for beginners to set up their storage systems. One of the standout features is its data protection capabilities, including snapshots and replication, which provide peace of mind for users concerned about data loss. TrueNAS supports various protocols including SMB, NFS, and iSCAR, which broadens its applicability across different environments. However, it's worth noting that while the setup can be straightforward for users familiar with NAS systems, those new to such technology might find some aspects overwhelming without proper guidance. The documentation is extensive but can be a bit technical at times, which might leave some users feeling lost. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, TrueNAS offers a powerful and flexible solution for anyone needing a reliable storage system. The community support is robust, and frequent updates mean that security and features are consistently improved. However, there are some drawbacks. For instance, the initial setup can be daunting for those without a tech background. Additionally, while the software is free, users might encounter costs when it comes to hardware, or if they choose the enterprise version for advanced features. Some users might also find that the performance can vary based on the hardware used, which could be a frustration for those expecting seamless operation. Overall, TrueNAS is best suited for those who have some technical knowledge or are willing to learn. In conclusion, TrueNAS is a solid choice for those needing a FreeNAS solution, particularly if you're comfortable navigating some technical waters. If you're a beginner or looking for something more user-friendly, you might want to explore alternatives. But if you're after a powerful, flexible storage system, TrueNAS is definitely worth considering.